So if you've been following my channel, you'll know that I've been building a wood-fired timber frame sauna. I recently had someone ask me about the wooden latch on the front door, so I've decided to jump ahead in my timeline a bit and show you how I built the mechanism for the latch. After building the doors myself, my wife put the idea of the wooden latch in my head, so after watching a few videos on YouTube, I decided to take a crack at coming up with my own design. I started with a piece of eastern white cedar that was 5.5 inches wide and about 1 3/4 inches thick. This is the same stock I used for making the door stiles. I used my CNC machine to mill a cavity in the back of the stock for the mechanism, but if you aren't lucky enough to have a CNC machine, you could easily enough do this using a drill and a Forstner bit and some chisels. The cavity won't be seen, so it's not critical that it's cut perfectly. The little cam mechanism that lifts the door latch when the handle is turned was also cut on my CNC machine. Here I'm just cutting it free of the stock it was cut from. Actually, this one was just a test piece to experiment with the fit of the part. The final one I cut from a scrap of an elm, which is much tougher wood than the white cedar. The nice thing about the CNC machine is it's easy to sneak up on dimensions. I cut the cam, tried test fitting the shaft for the handle, and when it's too tight, just tweak the dimensions of the program and cut it again. I used my oscillating belt sander to sand the cam. Remember to hold on tight. If you're wondering what I used for the latch shaft, it was actually one of the leftover pegs from the timber frame. It was red oak, 3/4 of an inch in diameter by about 7 inches long. I joined the cam to the shaft using a small hardwood pin that I cut using a plug cutter and then glued in place. For the back cover of the latch mechanism, I used some pine that I cut from a scrap of the frame timbers. Here I'm just cutting a through hole for the shaft. The latch bar I cut from a small scrap of cherry and rounded it over on the oscillating belt sander. A small wooden peg inserted into a hole in the latch bar will keep the spring from slipping off the bar. With the latch mechanism installed, I turned my attention to the door knobs and levers. The levers I also cut on my CNC machine out of some scrap white cedar. For the door knobs that go on the end of the levers, I turned those from some leftover chair. The levers then get a couple of coats of barn red latex paint, and then I install the knobs into the end of the levers, holding them in place with some glue and wedges. Then it's back out to the sauna to install the levers on the latch mechanism. And I just mount the levers to the shaft using a screw that I drill through the shaft. In retrospect, I kind of wish I used a wooden peg. Something to shoot for next. So that will wrap things up for making a wooden door latch. In a later video, I'll show you how I made the doors themselves. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.